Okay, so we're leaving the car here at the City Hall, Falls Church. All right, we're going in here to check out Rare Bird Coffee Roasters. If you want to go in and start the process, whatever. Actually, I don't know where mine is the problem. I got gloves, I got water bottles. Did you see it in there? It's just the right temperature and just the right sweetness. It's not too sweet because a lot of times these are too sweet or they're super bitter.
Mine's not very sweet either.
Yeah, that was really good. It's gone. All right, what'd you think?
Stupid mask.
Yeah, they make you wear these things. But I like the coffee. You could add sugar, but overall, great coffee and probably worth putting a mask on. Probably.